Hello to all my friends out there. So I want to show you guys what I'm doing when I'm being incredibly cheap so that you could do it as well if you wanted to save your money or just get by on very little money. So that is my leftover hash I made last night, and I already ate half of it before it occurred to me that I should show you guys exactly what I do. So I had a little milk left, and so I just want to make one more cup of milk because I don't restrict milk on this diet at all. It's unlimited. I could eat it with brand cereal and milk. And my hash is really good. I even saved the eggs. You can see my hash has some leftover scrambled eggs in there. I had twice as much, but I ate half. And then one of the followers told me to try the Coke and Pepsi Zero. I had never tasted it. But if you buy these like in the you know, when you're waiting in the check stand, the bottle is bigger than regular Pepsi. I go, I'm going to try it, and I liked it. And so what I did is I poured my caffeine-free Coke in there. And in my freezer, I have some icy cold tea. And then, this is my soup that I just made. So, you know, I can pretty much eat as much as I want, you know, and this is very important. This is made out of mixed vegetables. Let's see if it's warm yet. And this is really good, you guys. And this is dirt cheap, too. And you could have toast or you could have croutons. I have a couple of cheap tips. Okay, I'm doing the feng shui, and so when I clean my bathroom mirrors, I used paper towels. I mean newspaper. And then I scrub my tub out, you know. And before ever I mop, I wipe down my counters and my sink and my toilet and around the toilet, anywhere on the floor with newspaper, and then I throw it straight into the garbage so that I don't contaminate everything inside. So that way I can clean up some grimy messes and it goes right into the trash. So a lot of times I use paper towels just like, newspapers just like paper towels. Look at this. If you buy $40 worth of food at Aldi's, you get $10 off, and I don't see why one couldn't use food stamps. I'm pretty sure one could. And there was another one. Where is it? There it is. Smart and Final. Get $10 off your shopping trip. So these can really help you out if you're using an EBT card. So if you bought $100 worth of food, you would be conserving $20. So this is a great snack for the middle of the night, or like, you know, if you don't want to cook. There's the hash I made, the soup I made, and, you know, my beverages, and I stockpile milk. If you guys stick with me, you're not going to be running out of food. I was horrified. You know, when I was talking to that lady and she said, do you have any food? Like, just never occurred to me. So, okay, you guys, please like, comment, and subscribe, and God bless you all.